How to recover your Signal account. First, you want to open the Signal application, and here you'll be able to see an option called restore or transfer. If you want to create your new account, you want to simply tap on continue over here. However, if you want to recover your previous account, simply tap on restore or transfer. Here, if you have your old phone, you want to simply scan a code from your current Signal account to get shared quickly all the chats and your files and folders. However, if you don't have your old phone, you want to simply tap on I don't have my old phone. Here you'll see two options called restore Signal backup, which means restore your text messages and media from your Signal backup plan. If you already have made your backup plans before when you were logged in, you want to simply tap on this. However, if you want to restore on device backup, you'll be able to restore your data on You'll be able to restore your data if you have saved it on your device over here by simply tapping on these options over here. If you have had any Signal backup plans, you want to simply tap on this. However, if you already have the files and folders and you want to restore on the application, you want to simply tap on restore on device backup. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.